Hi, Raylene here from Quilters Haven, and today I want to share with you our Resize It template kit. These are an amazing little tool designed by our friends at Quilters Slide Lock that we're now manufacturing, and we love them so much we couldn't wait to share them with you. So the Resize It kit box comes with 3 different templates. It comes with a 2.5, 3.5, and a 4.5 inch square, which gives you your seam allowance. These are awesome for squaring up your small blocks, whether it be half square triangles, quarter square triangles, or even just a plain block. So each one has a great handle on it, so you can actually grip a hold of it. Keeps you from getting fatigue in your fingers when you're pushing down to rotary cutter mark. It also has a silicone base so that it doesn't slip. It will actually grip the fabric. So for example, if you're going to square up half square triangles, I'm going to lay that face down. Then there's a diagonal line right on my Resize It that I'm going to lay right on the seam, and then I'll use my rotary cutter and I'll trim that off, turning it around until I get all 4 sides. Now you might have noticed I'm doing this on my turntable mat. I love this little turntable mat. It comes from Big Mac Rotary Surface, which is my favorite cutting mats. I've got them all over my shop. But this little rotary mat or turntable mat is so handy whenever you're doing some trimming that you don't want to have to keep spinning the project itself because you might scoot it. So I love it when I'm doing these little blocks because, again, I'm going to push down on my handle and then I can just turn my wheel instead of turning my project. Now if you're going to do, say, a 4 square block, this is just a simple 4 patch. Same thing, you're just going to line up those lines right on the diagonal lines or right on the straight lines, depending on if you're doing your triangles or squares, and get it trimmed up nice and easy. So again, that's called the Resize It kit. It is available on our website. You'll find it under the category of rulers and squares. And if you have any questions, you can always email us.